Hello, friends. Welcome back to your channel, Learn and Earn. Myself, Dayanand. Yes, I'm back on YouTube after a year. I'm sincerely sorry for not making any videos in the last year. I know I've been receiving comments and lot of WhatsApp messages. Why are you not making any videos on YouTube? No, it just went on. And it's a year now. I must thank you all for the continued support on my YouTube channel. And here we are. Here we are with a new video, and I'm promising you that I'll continue to make videos and I'll complete my Excel VBA playlist as well. And coming to this video, home loan. You just saw the banner, YouTube preview. So this video, I'm going to show you how to come out of that home loan worries, how to pay it off quickly, how to save some money. Let me just show you that preview again. So I'm going to show you live proof of my home loan. Yeah, I do have a home loan of 25 lakhs, but not now. I do have around 20 lakhs now. And how can you convert 5 lakhs into 22 lakhs and save that 22 lakhs money? And I'm going to show you top two methods which can help you reduce your tenure. When you reduce your tenure, yes, certainly that you are going to reduce your payout, and yes, you are saving money. Who doesn't like saving money? Yeah, every rupee saved is a rupee earned, it, like people say. So home loan worries, I have a solution. Do not worry, I have a solution. If you deal with it properly, that is going to be a loan, sweet loan. It's no longer just a worrying loan. Okay, before we start the actual presentation, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just hit this subscribe button and then to press on the bell icon so that I make next video, it will reach you instantly. Okay, thank you. Let's let me start with a live proof of what I have done in what I have done with my home loan. Okay, what am I showing you here is my home loan which I have from LIC HFL, LIC Housing Finance Limited. You can see here, LIC Housing Finance Limited. And this is the letter I have dated 17th of September 2018, and I'm making video on 18th of November this month. And I have a principal outstanding of 25 lakhs 33,242 rupees, which is going to end on 10th of March 2039, which means down the line 21 years roughly. And on the same month, I made a payment of 5 lakh rupees to my home loan, LIC HFL 5 lakh, and that dropped my outstanding balance to 20 lakh 36,000. And see my newest letter, 20 lakh 30,000, 20 lakh 30,000. Yes, and this loan will be ending on the 10th of February 2031, which means just going to be 12 years from now. 12 years from now. It was 21 years and dropped to 12 years by just paying 5 lakhs. How it is? How did I pay 5 lakh? What is the calculation? What am I telling is 5 lakh equal to 22 lakhs? So to know this, watch the video till the end, right? Stay with me. So I have method one and method two. Before I get on to methods, let me show you the actual home loan. Let me hide this, otherwise you will keep looking at the methods only. Yeah, only listen to me and listen to me carefully for the next 4 minutes. Okay, say till the end of the video. Loan amount, I have 25 lakhs 33,000, which is, I just showed you, 9.3% interest rate and 20 years tenurity. I'm 28 years old. If I keep paying the home loan, I'll be almost dead. I'll be 48. I'll have no strength in my arms to earn money further. Okay, do I have to pay till 20 years is the question. Yes, you don't have to. If you keep paying, you are the fool. So you don't have to pay for the 20 years. So use my strategies methodology and close it as soon as possible. I'm paying 23,152 monthly EMI. Believe me, this is the right figure, the actual figure which I pay to my home loan. You see here, my EMI. Yeah. And if I was to pay for 20 years, the end of the term, total to be paid is 55 lakhs 33,328, which means almost more than double of what I have taken. Now, let me explain you just what makes the difference, method one and method two. I'll hide the method two for now. Take my words, the first tip I'm going to give you, within the 1 year or 2 years of your loan, pay minimum 5 lakh rupees back to your loan. Within 1 year, I know it's not easy to pay it on the same day, the same month, but if you can pay it right after a year or right after 2 years, it's going to help you a lot. Number one. Yes, this is number one. I'm paying, this is what I did. This is what I did. And I paid 5 lakhs to the home loan, which is this, and which has brought my tenure by 8 years, from 20 years down to 12 years and 2 months. And if you look at this now, I'm only going to pay 33 lakhs, not the 55 lakhs. You get me? Not the 55 lakhs, and I'm going to pay how much? 33 lakhs only. So if I subtract, simple, 5 lakhs, 55 lakhs minus 33 lakhs, I do not have to pay 21 lakhs 53,000 at all in terms of interest, because I'm making a prepayment of 5 lakhs. Believe me, all banks will have prepayment option. All banks will have zero charges for your prepayment after 6 months of your home loan. 6 months or 9, some banks may say 9 months, some even give you it from the first month itself, right? So I'm keeping the interest rate same, 9.3%. I have used loan calculator, the EMI calculator application, to arrive at these figures. I'll have this link placed in the description. Check this one. You can do some homework, mention your loan amount, mention your EMI and rate of interest, etc. That tell you how many months you're going to pay. Okay, so you can do that later, not now. Continue watching the video for the method 2, and I'm going to give you some more information at the bottom. Right. So which means I'm going to save close to how much? 21 lakhs by just paying 5 lakhs. Now, where do I get, you may ask me, Dayanand, where do I get 21 lakhs? Oh, sorry, where do I get 5 lakhs from? I know it's good to save. Number one, see, you get it from wherever. You get it from a friend, you get it from your family, get it where you don't have to pay interest if you have an option to do. If you have your liquid amount saved somewhere, if you have shares you bought and you sell it off and then make some money and pay it out. If you do not have anything, do not worry. Take a personal loan. Take a personal loan. You may ask me, okay, Dayanand, you're asking me to take one more loan on top of the 25 lakhs of home loan. It is worth. It is worth by taking another 5 lakh rupees of loan. Let me show you how it is. If you take 5 lakhs of personal loan, take an example of 10.25% of interest rate, which Axis Bank is giving at 10.25% now. That could be the least. Some may give you at 11%. Your maximum personal loan can go up to only 5 years, not more than that. 5 lakh rupees, and you need to pay an EMI of 10,685 rupees every month. Okay, this is an EMI, remember, 10,685, and you're going to pay how many months? 5 years, nothing but 60 months. So you'll be paying only 6,41,000, but you're going to save off your home loan 21 lakhs. Which is better? You're still winning. You're still saving close to 15 lakhs for yourself. 16 to 15 lakhs, right? So this 1 lakh 41,000 goes as interest. No problem. Cannot help. So that was, my loan was to close during 2039, and now the new closure date is 2031, which is 8 years. And if I just simply show you, I was paying 23,152 a month into, say, 12 months, which is per year I was paying 2,77,000. If I multiply this with 8 years, I'm going to save, because I don't have to pay for 8 years, which means I'm saving 22 lakhs, close to 22 lakhs. It just saved. This is what I just said. Convert your 5 lakhs into 22 lakhs and save that. So this is one method. And moving down to method 2. Here we go. Increase repayment. If you think having a personal loan or arranging 5 lakhs of liquid cash is difficult, go for a monthly repayment. Increase your repayment by certain amount. Let me give you a statement. Pay 10,000 extra every month and pay 10 years lesser. How is it? So pay 10,000 extra every month and pay 10 years lesser or shorter. Look at this. I'm going to increase 23,000 to 33,000 a month, which I'm going to do. And yes, and now what you need to, I'm keeping the same loan. So that is 25 lakhs 33,000, same amount, but your loan will be completed within 10 years, not 20 years. 10,000 extra, 10 years shorter. Okay. 38 lakhs you will be paying overall, but you took only 25 lakhs. You may pay another 13 lakhs as interest, which is worth for a home loan. Right. Now, this is going to, if I show you both, you can do this calculation, and almost this will be the same for every person's loan amount. Loan amount may vary. Somebody may have 25 lakhs, somebody may have even crore, and just 15 lakhs goes on. But when you increase your prepayment, it goes lesser. When you also make a part payment, you can clear it sooner. And just going with a personal loan is also a wise choice because it is going to save you close to 15 lakhs, right? That's another one. Now, um, if you were to combine these two, pay 5 lakhs now and then increase it by 5 lakhs every month, imagine you may close it. You will definitely don't believe me if I tell you this. Pay off 5 lakhs now and then increase your monthly payment 10 lakhs, 10,000 every month, and you're going to clear your loan within the next 7 years. That's 7 years going to give you, if I talk about myself, I'm 28 now, and the next 7 years, so I'll be 35. With 35, I'm done with my home loan. I have my own home. It's an asset for the life. And by the way, the home property is close to 50 lakhs property value, right? And that's how you need to play with your loans. You don't have to worry. You definitely have a solution. Either opt for a prepayment or a partial payment. Believe me, 80% of people do not know this. They just keep paying the entire 20 years, and one day they fed up and they sell the home if they cannot pay for 20 years. It is a burden. It is a burden, and it is just not a convincing factor that you pay every month 25,000 towards your EMI. Say almost 60% of your salary goes out there, and you'll not have much money to plan for traveling, plan for anything of your life. Even you will be thinking twice to buy a mobile phone too. Right? So it is just the advice is this: plan it. Go to this EMI calculator link and do some homework, how much you can pay. Now go back and talk to your family and see how much money you can collect and how much money you can make. It could be either a lakh or 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 8 lakhs, how much ever money you can. Go ahead and pay it back to the bank immediately. That helps you a lot of money saving on a long run, like 21 lakhs, which almost equal to my loan amount, almost approximately. Right? That's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. And yes, please press the like button, and yes, do comment on the video. If you have any questions, always come back to me, comment it. I will certainly answer all my comments. Right? Yep, that's it for today, and have a happy day. All the best. All is well. Thank you. Thank you for watching.